Hey now, thank you for tuning in for another restoration. I'm going to try and keep commentary limited, so if you like that part of the video, stick around till the end. If you have any questions about our restoration process, check out the link at the top of the video. This pan is from a group of 3 customer restorations that were found in a footlocker of an estate sale. But this is a number 7, and I believe it's from the 1940s, but before the 1960s because it doesn't have made in the USA. And I even think it's pre-1950s because it doesn't have SK or anything on it, but definitely a keeper. Yeah, he's having these restored for his nephew, so I'm glad they're going to be of use. A little bit of an update in my process is I've been using ghee to season my pans. Let me know if you have done that in the comments, if you like it, if you don't like it, what your opinion is. I actually like it. I think it turns the pans a nice color, and you can make it easier yourself. It's pretty easy to make ghee. Let me know what you think. I'd like to share the cast iron Discord. It's a community of anything that you can think of related to cast iron. If you don't know what Discord is, you should check it out, see if this is your thing. It's a community for you. You can find an invite to the server in the description of this video or the about section of the Cast Iron Restore channel. I'm starting a new segment in my videos. It's going to be a featured channel. It won't be in every video, but be sure to keep an eye out for it. The featured channel for this video is Luis J. Cast Iron Cooking. One thing I really like about his channel is he streams every Wednesday and shows off a lot of modern cookware. I know he does love his vintage cookware, but you do get to see that modern stuff here that you may not get to see anywhere else. So if you haven't already, check him out.